Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to create your very own website. Whether you're looking to start a blog, showcase your portfolio, or even set up an online store, this video will cover all the essential steps you need to follow. So, let's get started. Define your purpose and goals. Determine the purpose of your website and what you want to achieve with it. Identify your target audience and the key features your website will need to serve them effectively. Clarify the purpose of your website. Is it for personal blogging, an online store, a portfolio, a company website, or something else? Set clear goals. What do you want to achieve with your website? Examples include increasing sales, driving traffic, generating leads, or sharing information. Choose a domain name. Select a unique and relevant domain name for your website. It should be easy to remember and reflect your brand or content. Your domain name is your website's address on the internet, e.g., www.yourwebsite.com. Choose a domain name that is easy to spell, remember, and relevant to your brand or content. Consider using a domain name registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap to purchase your domain. Select a web hosting provider. Choose a reliable web hosting provider that will store your website's files and make it accessible on the internet. Web hosting is where your website's files and data are stored and made accessible on the internet. Research and choose a hosting provider that meets your needs in terms of server performance, storage, bandwidth, and customer support. Popular hosting providers include Bluehost, HostGator, SiteGround, and Oz, Amazon Web Services. Plan your website architecture. Create a sitemap to outline the structure of your website. Decide on the main pages, subpages, and how they will be interconnected. Create a sitemap, which is a hierarchical structure of your website's pages and their relationships. Organize your content logically, with clear navigation and easy-to-follow paths for users. Consider using tools like mind maps or wireframes to visualize the layout and flow of your website. Design your website. Decide on the visual appearance of your website. You can hire a professional web designer or use website builders and templates to create a visually appealing design. Determine the visual elements of your website, such as color scheme, typography, and overall layout. Keep your design consistent with your brand identity, if applicable. Ensure your design is responsive, meaning it adapts to different screen sizes and devices. Develop your website. Use web development languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build your website. Alternatively, you can use content management systems, CMS, like WordPress, Joomla, or Drupal to simplify the development process. If you have coding skills, you can build your website from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Alternatively, you can use a content management system, CMS, like WordPress, Joomla, or Drupal, which simplifies website creation and management. Explore various templates and themes that align with your design preferences and customize them to suit your needs. Add content. Populate your website with relevant content, including text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements. Ensure that your content aligns with your goals and is engaging for your visitors. Create high-quality, engaging, and relevant content for your website. Use a mix of text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements to make your content more appealing. Make sure your content is well organized, easy to read, and optimized for search engines. Implement SEO, search engine optimization. Optimize your website for search engines to improve its visibility in search results. Use relevant keywords, create meta tags, and ensure your website follows SEO best practices. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant keywords that your target audience might use to find your content. Use these keywords strategically in your website's content, meta tags, and URLs. Optimize page titles, meta descriptions, alt tags for images, and heading tags. Test your website. Conduct thorough testing to ensure that your website works correctly across different browsers, devices, and screen sizes. Check for broken links, load times, and user experience. Test your website across different browsers, e.g., Chrome, Firefox, Safari, to ensure compatibility. Check how your website performs on various devices, desktops, tablets, smartphones, to ensure responsiveness. Test links, forms, and interactive elements to make sure they work as intended. Secure your website. Implement security measures to protect your website from potential threats, such as installing SSL certificates, using strong passwords, and keeping all software up to date. Install an SSL certificate to encrypt data transmitted between your website and users, ensuring secure connections, HTTPS. Keep all software, CMS, plugins, themes, up to date to patch security vulnerabilities. Regularly back up your website to protect against data loss. Launch your website. Once you are satisfied with your website's design and functionality, it's time to make it live. Upload your website files to the web hosting server and make it accessible to the public. Once you are satisfied with the website's design, content, and functionality, it's time to make it live. Upload your website files to your web hosting server and configure the domain to point to your website. Monitor and maintain. Regularly monitor your website's performance and user behavior using tools like Google Analytics. Update and maintain your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Use website analytics tools like Google Analytics to track your website's performance, traffic sources, and user behavior. Monitor for any technical issues and address them promptly. Continually update and refresh your content to keep it relevant and engaging. Promote your website. Use various marketing strategies like social media, email marketing, and search engine marketing to drive traffic to your website and reach your target audience. Use various online marketing strategies like social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization to drive traffic to your website. Collaborate with influencers or other websites in your niche to gain exposure. Consider running paid advertising campaigns to reach a broader audience. Remember that creating a successful website requires ongoing effort and dedication. Regularly seek feedback from users and iterate based on their preferences and needs. Stay up to date with the latest web design and development trends to keep your website fresh and relevant. I hope this video has been helpful in getting you started on your website journey. Remember, creating a website is an ongoing process, so keep learning, experimenting, and improving. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.